Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if notifications do not show on your Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, check your Apple Watch and check if it's linked to your iPhone, because it's required for you to receive notifications on your Apple Watch. In order to do that, press the side button on your Apple Watch to open the control center, and at the very top of the control center you should see the green phone icon, which indicates that your Apple Watch is currently paired with your iPhone, and you should be able to receive notifications on your Apple Watch. Also check if the airplane mode is disabled, so this icon should be disabled, and also the crescent moon icon, which stands for do not disturb mode, should also be disabled in order for you to receive notifications. Besides, you won't receive any notifications on your Apple Watch if you're currently using your iPhone. So if you're whenever you're using your iPhone and receive a notification, it will not appear on your Apple Watch, only on your phone. Now, for some specific apps, you can check for you can check for notifications for specific apps on your iPhone. And to do this, first unlock it, then open the app library on your iPhone and search for the Watch app. And once you find it, open it, then go to My Watch tab, go to Notifications Settings, and scroll down until you find the app list. Now, in order to enable notifications for a specific app, you have to tap on it on the list. And now if you select Mirror My iPhone option, that will this option will mirror your iPhone settings. So if you're receiving notifications from this app on your iPhone, you should also be able to receive them on your Apple Watch. But if you want to make sure, you can tap Custom and then select Allow Notifications, and this way you will receive notifications from this app. Otherwise, you can also select one of these two options if you want to disable notifications for this specific app. If you want to disable them completely, select notifications off. And if you don't want to get alerts for your notifications, select Send to Notification Center. Okay, so once everything is set up, you should be able to receive notifications on your Apple Watch. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.